Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial to learn how to use shortcut key in MAGIX Digital DJ. For example guys, I would like to use quickly any sampler, then what button you need to play here. So of course, see, I would like to show you shortcut key. Simply, for example, any sampler if you would like to use, by a key button, just to go for chronological order of your F1, F2, F3, F4. So for example, see guys, sampler 1, sampler 6. Now see guys. Now see guys here, sampler 8. Now see, just I will come. Now see sampler 7, sampler 1 with the help of sampler 3 more. So of course guys, according to your own visualization, you can use the sampler. For example, sampler 5th I would like to play. Here you can change the also. Now see guys here. Now see, for example, 5th one sampler. So with the help of your key, especially F series wise, just 1 to 8, of course you can operate all the hair bit, all the hair, sampler, by using a key button. Similarly, if you would like to decrease or increase the volume, then of course in a deck 1 you have to press a G. It will push to dwindle, deaccelerate the sound. Similarly, if you would like to accelerate, then you have to press the T. Now see, in a deck B, with the help of shift button, just you need to press a G for down, and up volume you need to press a T. So in a short form, if you would like to play in a deck A any song, of course you need to push the one time just Q button, it will start to play. Similarly, if you would like to play any song in a deck B, see guys, you need to press shift and push the Q button. Now see guys, it has started to play. Similarly, see guys, if you would like to have a song, so suppose, see guys, if you would like to crossfading from left to B, B to A, yeah, A to B, how you will do it? For example, see guys, I am playing deck 1 at the moment. I would like to go in a B, so I will press the, now see guys here. Now see guys here. Similarly, if I would like to come, so see guys, according to your own visualization, of course you will be able to, by a left and right arrow, you can change your crossfader of your deck A to B, B to A. Similarly guys, here see bass, if you would like to on off by using B. Now see only. Similarly, in a B deck, if you would like to play bass on, then with the help of shift, just you need to press. Now see guys, similarly here MID. Now see guys, I would like to show you MID deck 1, just you need to press N and press the once time more, then it will be off. If you would like to play mid off, especially, yeah, on in a deck B, just press the shift and N. Now off. now on. Similarly, tab for M, see guys, on. Now see, similarly, if you would like to, in a deck B, if you would like to on, now see, with the help of holding shift button, just you need to press so see guys, in this way you can. So I am providing you here all the shortcut key PDF form. If you are inclined to operate in a shortcut quickly, then of course just read, make a shortcut notes, and keep it, and just to do practice quickly you will be able to operate all this MAGIX digital DJ in a short, and of course you will be able to have effective DJ anywhere if you would like to play. But see, one thing more I would like to tell you here, this patch you would like to increase or decrease, then just go for E4, just to see guys, it's accelerating patch, and deaccelerating just you need. And if you press with the help of shift, here I would like to show you guys here, this one. Now see, this one, of course you will be able to see with the help of shift E. Now see, it's increasing, and similarly with the help of shift and D, it will be a dwindle. So this is an easy way guys. Let's have I would like to provide you shortcut key with the help of PDF form. So see guys, I am going to open this PDF form. This link I will give you below the description box. If you are interested, then of course you can download it. See, it's on page number 56, shortcut. All the button has been, see guys, Q for play and pause. Similarly, in a deck B, with the help of shift, and I will press the Q button, then it will be play and pause, deck B. So all the detail it has been given here. If you would like to have a quickly crossfading, now see guys, crossfader, left arrow and right arrow given here. Similarly, so all the key just note down, just download it. You will be able to go through, and you need to of course practice, then you will be able to. But one thing more I would like to tell you, just to come in a here in a this one setting to just keep it crossfader 0, then you will be able to quickly from A to B and B to A when you push arrow left or right button guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. Further more detail if you would like to know about this MAGIX digital DJ, then of course blindly raise the comment below the comment box guys. I will reply according to your query in course of time. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time.